Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got a nice couple with me, and we're gonna just do a quick overview because I've done already the full review for these two guys. Just wanted to show you how a DG Camo scale looks compared, for example, to a regular G10 in like Blurple over here, or just like an aftermarket scale in titanium over here. So basically, PM3, PM2, they're the same, they share the same size, different weight, of course, but the features are going to be the same, except for the steel employed. Everything else is just going to be exactly the same. For example, these two guys are sporting like a CPM S30V steel for the blade, which has been blacked out, as you can see right over here. It's it's a matte coating, which is gonna increase durability. Of course, it's gonna show some scratches along use, but it's gonna add an extra layer of protection to the blade because it has been coated. In addition, you have digital camouflage G10 set of scales over here, which is gonna peel for sure, like if you're gonna be out in the field, and if you have to be stealth, because this blade being blacked out is gonna avoid throwing reflections from the sun or from any source of light. So the only part that it's shiny is the compression lock here on the back, and that's it. In this case, yes, this pocket clip, but this actually came with a blacked out one, and I just changed this. So there you have it. This was just like a quick overview for the Spyderco PM2, PM3 in a DG Camo scales with blacked out CPM S30V blades. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.